It's Fair Week at the Sunrise. We got Tracy behind the bar with me. We're slamming tonight. Everybody's piling in. What's up, Big Arm?
What's happening?
What's up, Big Cat? What are you having? You look good, buddy. Sometimes the best thing about the fair is the people watching, though.
That was good.
I bet it was. Here we go, E. That's yours. The lady. Thank you. Ethan always keeps it open, man. He's a true veteran of the sport here. Jack Water. Perfect, man. Yep, leave it open. You're a pro. You're a pro. What's up, buddy? Coors? Another banquet, baby. Top selling beer. Whew.
Where did I put that kamchata?
Oh, they're filming a reality TV show.
It's called Milfs and Dilfs of Montana. I've been on welfare, but I guess I gotta be.
How's the rodeo? Same as usual? Same as it is every year? What's up, man? Oh yeah, how you doing, man? It's been a while. Yeah, man. You guys having a good weekend or what?
So good. So good.
There you go, Charlie. What's your name again?
Charlie.
Yeah, I'm Jake.
Jake! Fuck! I knew it!
I called you Charlie. I was like, I wonder if he recognized me. Been a minute, dude. I told you to come here years ago.
Hi, Mookie.
What are you having?
I'm a first light bottle. What's up, little mama? How you doing?
Thank you, Ruth. How was the rodeo, buddy?
It was a good rodeo.
Yeah, not bad. Seen one, you seen them all?
Yeah.
So the fair's out now, let's go. What's up, Biggie? How you been, man?
Jeffy! Hi, baby.
They're filming a reality TV show tonight.
Hey.
Biggest arms in Montana. Big Arm, baby, that's your nickname.
Can I get a summer honey, a Coors Banquet, and a vodka Red Bull, please?
So a Summer Honey, Vodka Red Bull, and a Coors Original might be the 3 most popular drinks. There you go, brother. Open or close? Of course. There's 300 pens back here, and only 2 of them work. Open or close? Damn it.
PBR and blackberry white.
Open or close? Damn it. We're on a losing streak right now, Matt. What can I get you? Water.
Water!
We ain't paying no bills on water.
I need some water!
H2O. H2O.
Jack and
Yep. 2 doubles.
What can I get for you? What kind of white class? What kind? There's one you don't like. There's always one you don't like.
But not the berry kind.
Yeah, there you go.
What should our reality TV show be called?
Dilfs and Milfs of Montana. I'm the Dilf.
What should our reality TV show be called? Desperate Housewives of the Sunrise. Yeah. Open or close? Close it? Sure?
No, I'll be back.
Got him. Charles? Yeah, his name's Charles. He wanted to leave it open, man. Sometimes you just gotta, edge him into it.
Very poor choice of words.
Can I have a beer?
Yeah.
Corona?
Yeah.
Can I have a little too?
Damn it. Double string order. Kathy, what are you doing?
We're on Julio.
It's right there.
Oh, God damn it.
Jeez, dude, you gotta fucking get a new prescription. All right, the fair's out. Now the people are coming in.
Elaborate on the fair. You guys go to the fair? Was it fun? What the fuck is a rodeo?
Rodeo?
It's a rodeo.
Here you go, take a shot.
Where's all those cowboys hang out? The cowboys.
We'll do 3 double vodka Red Bulls, please.
3 double buck rebels.
And 1 Jell-O shot. Thank you. Are they worth it?
Yeah, they're $1.
You're supposed to say yes.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
We're pushing the Jell-Os. We got blue tonight.
Oh, I'll take it.
That's my favorite flavor. A little jazzy in here tonight.
He's like, yeah, I can't go to the fair this year. I'm getting married. Like, and I was like, yeah, that'll be fun. He goes, I hope so.
I always make them good. What are you up to there, Beaver Man?
What did he say?
Yeah, they are.
That was a fucking
Hey, word travels fast.
I know.
Call you Beaver Man.
I put it to Beaver today.
Jojo, are you doing tab or cash, babe? I see
Get
your
outta
card.
here.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Thanks, Jojo. You want to do a tab, Mama, or do you have one? Okay, thank you. I like your dress. Dress to impress, bitches. Rebecca, you want another one? Okay.
They're filming Desperate Housewives of Montana tonight.
What?
Desperate Housewives of Montana. Yeah. Yeah.
That's really a thing.
I don't know. Are you married? Oh, well, they're not following you then.
Are you doing a good job? You having a good time over there, bud?
Oh my God, it's the best day ever.
Oh my God, I'm having someone's on.
Any specific tequila?
Not yellow.
Not yellow. One more? Tequila? Hey girl. Seen you driving by at work the other day. Is this all together?
Yeah, can I get one more? I'll pay for it.
One more.
Sorry, tequila.
Good, how are you? Hi. What are you having?
Absolute.
Absolutely.
With a Red Bull and a lime.
Okay.
And whenever you get off,
Only when you make me. Do you guys go to the rodeo?
Yeah.
To watch the cowboys?
Oh, you have to see
You watch the cowboys?
See the smoke.
I don't got time.
yeah, you do.
That's I have time for that shit right there. I got time. Where do you put the ruffle in? Oh, you have it all to yourself because you're the only one that uses it.
Is that me? No, I'm joking. Is that at the fair? That's so cute, guys.
Recipe for disaster.
All right, Washington apple, crown, cranberry.
Vodka.
Yep.
Thanks, dude.
Hey, guess what? You have to close this card.
No way.
One time, one and done, bud, one and done. Pump and dump. Run a road salad. Run. You know why they close so much? Because you give them the option.
They're
Turn
opening.
around, write it down, and walk away.
There we go.
Are you guys having fun? Woo! How many fairs have we worked together?
15 years.
Thank you.
15 bears.
15 fucking fairs. 15 fucking fairs. What would you like? Should I make for Preston? He said, give me whatever you want.
Bush Light.
Give me whatever you... No, he's drinking Tito's water right now.
There you go.
I can't drop down to the Bush Light.
No, you
That's
can't.
silly.
I started him with Bush
That's not
Light.
gonna work.
Open it.
See, you gave him options. Always with the
The last
options.
time it didn't work
Just
for
gotta
me.
fucking walk away. You didn't walk away fast enough.
I know.
Lo.
Is this Sherry? Man, I guessed that one. Nailed that one. Tracy's mic'd up, man.
What?
You're mic'd up. How you doing over there, man? You surviving?
Hi, Mom.
I love Aiden. The sweetest. Aiden's probably one of my favorite humans.
He's a good guy.
He's so nice.
Nice young cowboy.
Next time I get my hair done, I'm gonna ask when Aiden's getting his done, and I'll make sure it's same time, same day. He does.
You can come on with me.
Yes. Everybody already knows who I am. I'm Tracy Sunrise. Always. Put your name in the phone, Tracy Sunrise. Hey, are you Tracy Sunrise, Tatum's mom? Yep, I'm Tatum. Yep, that's me.
We're wrapping up Fair Week here at the Sunrise. It's the final night, Saturday night. It's been an awesome night. Super busy. Working here with Tracy, the best bartender in Missoula. Welcome to the Sunrise Saloon, where the sidewalk ends and the West begins. We'll see you next time.